Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the latest version of Extract AI app. With this update, all automation controls are now located inside the Extract AI app board view instead of Monday.com's Automation Center, making it faster and easier to manage. To get started, install Extract AI from the Monday.com app marketplace. If you're upgrading from the previous version, you may need to add it manually by clicking the plus button in the board view selector, searching for Extract AI, and adding it. Once added, create a new AI block and name it. In this example, we'll call it Outlook since we're using a connected Outlook account. Connect your email account. You can only select one email account per block, but you can have multiple Extract AI blocks on the same board. Choose the board where emails will arrive, then select the columns you want Extract AI to populate automatically, such as email address, sender name, and file attachment. When ready, click Activate. Now, send an email to the connected address. Within a minute, the email will appear in your board with the subject, sender name, email address, and attachments automatically populated. That's how the new Extract AI works. All automation settings are now in the app UI for a smoother setup. For questions, contact our support team using the email address provided in the YouTube video description.